What is up, guys? This is Jonah the Gangster, back with another video, and today, as you saw in the title, we are going to be rebuilding the Knicks, part something. I don't know, we've done so much. So anyways, I think I have a trade that I'm working up. That'll be a good trade. So, let's go to... Where is it? He's on the Heat. James Harden's on the Heat. Okay. Well, anyways, as you see, we're going to form a trade like this. Will they do that? No. What if we throw them a second? Will they do that? No. What if we throw them another second? No. What if we throw them one more second? No. What if we throw them first, though? Okay. It's a done deal. Bam Adebayo, welcome to the team. So, as I was saying, we need someone who can run that power forward for us and keep up with people that aren't as big as him. And I think Bam Adebayo will be a good addition to the team. So now, if we look at the team, we need another center. We need another center. We need a backup center. So let's see. Let's go to trading camps. Oh, I forgot. It does it right here. So, we will be seeing what draft class we are going to be doing. My favorite part of the day. Historic draft class. Let's go down to right here. And my eyes are closed. I'm excited. Comment down below right now what draft class you think. We're going to lay it on. I'm stopping in 3, and 2, and 1. 1976. I don't know what this draft class is. No. So, 1976. Hopefully it's a good one. Do not know, though. Let's send Marcus Camby to rebounding. Oh, wait, no, that's not a good one for him. Let's send, rebounding to Bam. Yeah, this will be good. Definitely good. Now we'll send, I think we wasted one on Marcus Camby. Oh, well. So, advance to next season, yep. Let's go to free agents. Like, dude, look at all these guys. Maybe we can... Dang it. I wouldn't mind bringing Kevin Love in as a backup center. I think that'd be a good pickup. Here, let's do this. Trade finder. Let's trade finder these two and see if we can get a pick. I'm going to do that trade. Okay. Oh, no, not that one. This one. Okay, now let's try to sign Kevin Love. Huh. I wonder how we're gonna trade him. Trade finder. I guess we could put Monte Morris in the trade finder for a pick. Ooh, I might do this. That's a good trade. Kendrick Nunn is only a 76 still. It's kind of weird. He was top 5 rookie this year. Huh. Okay, I can't seem to find anyone, so it looks like Kevin Love will not come to the team. I guess we trade Finder this little power forward, right? Oh wait, can he? What happens to him when I turn him to a center? Well, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't go down a ton. Oh, he's only 6'9". He could even run the small forward for us. Okay. We're going to put him in the trade finder and see. Actually, no, we're not going to. We're going to go out and try to trade for an all-star power forward. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm crazy. I mean, wait, is it center or power forward do we need? I think it's center. Yeah, it's center. Okay, we're going to go out and try to trade for an all-star center. So, let's go to Team Intel. And let's see. Ooh, okay, this team is Kyrie Irving. We already have a point guard, though. Ooh, this team has Kawhi Leonard. Yo, why is Kawhi Leonard only a 92 overall? That is weird. Okay, I think I know what we're gonna do. We're going to offer the Raptors a trade for, what's his face? Pascal Siakam. Pascal Siakam, obviously, I was joking. Okay. Yeah, so we'll give them my man's right here. We'll give them, shoot. Oh my god, he has a massive contract. There's no way we can trade for him. Never mind. Let's try to find a center that does not have a big contract. Yeah, let's try to trade for this guy. Come on, guys. No, that does not work. Dude, we can't find all these. We can't find. It's just 2K's system where they, like, I don't know how to explain it, but the progression is so high that lots of players are making too much money. Lots of players are making too little money. And they need to fix it. God, the Pacers have way too much cap. Oh my gosh, is Anthony? Hold on. I'm trying to see if he is untouchable. Yep, no surprise there. Okay, sorry guys. I'm trying to do God's work right now. Okay, I think we're going to go out and do this. Trade finder. Where's our little power forward? He should have high value So hopefully someone is willing to give us a pick for him. There's a guy named Doc Rivers. That's a coach's name. Ooh. Derek Harper. Yeah, we're gonna do this trade. We're gonna get Taco Boys. That's lit. Okay. Yeah, and now we have... Yo, our small forward is a ton. Like, we have a lot of small forwards. But we have a player at every position. So, now... I want to pick up a third star, and I don't know... Dude, what? This dude's... Stephon Marbury is 21. And is already 93 overall. That's crazy. God. It's insane. Alright. Maybe we can pick up someone like... I'm trying to think of a young player who's not making a lot of money for Kobe. Or not a young player, but someone who's not making a lot of money. I know Kobe, like, what the heck? Actually, no, I'm not trading Kobe no matter what. I'm scrolling through, and this guy, Andre Lucas, is only making $8 million. Maybe we can snag him for, like... Okay, no, you know what? Let's, our team's basically the same, except we're, like... Except we're, older. But here's the thing. We need to win this year because lots of our players are on one-year deals, and that is not good. So, let's simulate some of the season, see how we do. Oh, boys, we're 1-0. So, we're starting off the season pretty good. I think Bam will fit the system a lot better. We need a defense on this team. Yeah. First loss to the Nuggets. Our beginning of the schedule is honestly pretty easy. Yeah. That Cavs team is good. They're really good. Come on, boys. Okay. We're obviously beating a lot of teams. Oh, we just beat the Mavericks. Never mind. Okay. I ain't going 16-6. I know it's good, but it's not good enough. Where is the man? We're doing it. Where is he? Pacers. TJ Warren. You got a big dog contract. I don't even think... Oh, OG Anunoby is making $19 million. Say less. Okay, we're going to target a small forward that is making decent money, but is still good. Okay. So, I see Cameron Reddish, but can't go after him. The Bulls have a promising future, it looks like. Jared Allen. Would this trade work? No, it would not. That would not work either. I wonder if he's on their untouchable list. I mean, obviously they wouldn't do that. Okay. Oh, I forgot to look at what draft class. After I try to make a trade, I'm gonna look at that draft class, yeah. I have a weird feeling that it just might be Magic Johnson's draft class, but I don't know. DeAndre Hunter. I wonder if he's any good. Okay. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Watch, listen to this. Obviously, they probably don't want to do this. Now I'm going to throw in picks. You're like, hey, you need a small forward. Clyde Drexler is 6'7", if you didn't know. Look at all these picks. Look at all these picks. Come on, baby. Come on. Ah! Come on, guys. I know you want to do this. I know you want to. I know you want to. I know it's Clyde Drexler, guys, but like, come on, look at what we're offering. You know what? We'll even throw you. Do we throw him Danny Turner? I don't know if we do it. I don't know if we throw him Danny Turner, boys. Where is our? We'll even throw you. How we get Derek Harper? We'll throw you Matisse. Look, you guys can give us a terrible contract. Come on, where's a terrible contract? Cody Zeller. Come on. Okay. Well, I'm not giving enough. What about Brandon Clark? Oh, he has a clause. Will Marcus Camby work? Huh, dude, boys, I really want Cly. I really want Clyde Drexler. Sorry, I might sound crazy, but I do. But it doesn't look like we're gonna get him. That sucks, dude. Yo. Peja would be a big dub, but I don't think they'll even come close to trading him. So, yeah, that's that. Sharif. Would Sharif work? No, I don't think so. Don't think so. Come on, guys. We just need something. We need a third star. I know this is boring for you guys, but like, we need a third star so bad if we want to win a title. Oh my gosh, they have a center who's that tall. Michael Porter Jr. works, but he's not a third star, you know. Brandon Ingram doesn't work. Zach LaVine could work, but he's making too much money. I would try to trade for that guy, Del Stone, but he might be too slow, and he's young. Guys, I think we try to trade for Clyde. I think we keep trying to go after him. I think we do it. Yeah, look at Iverson, dude. 94 overall. That is crazy. Okay, boys. Looks like we're gonna try to trade for the man, the myth, the legend. Let's go to the Hornets. Clyde Drexler. Yeah, he's 6'6". I thought he was like 6'8". That's someone else. Okay. Okay, come on. I wish there was someone we could take off them that's like making way too much money. We'll give them a really young piece, dude. Ah! Come on, look at the picks, bro. Look at how many picks we're gonna give you. You really don't want to do this. Like, come on. What if we give you... Call me crazy. Call me crazy. Do we trade Kobe Bryant? No, they're only one overall apart. Okay, I think we're just gonna... Dude, what if we make Kobe a small forward? 87. Okay, I think we might make Kobe a small forward, and then I think we might trade Matisse for a... Or not Matisse, I think we might trade OG and like... No, and then... Oh, okay. Now we're going to go out and trade for a shooting guard. That will come in and do good for us. What about Tyler Hero? Ray Allen did? Dude, all these other rookies are like doing so much better than Kobe, and it's annoying. Like, I don't know why he's not doing good. He's the best in their draft class. We're gonna go out and try to trade for DeJounte Murray. So, we'll give you OG. Will they do that? No, well, let's throw you some picks. First pick, no. One more first rounder. Yes, okay. Got DeJounte Murray, which we can make him a shooting guard. And he goes up to an 87. Oh, okay. I really like these four. Honestly, dude, okay, yeah, that looks... Now let's just... Baby. Let's give him teardropper. Let's give him pro touch, and let's give him consistent finisher to Kobe. Let's set him a mentor. Now that is all for the episode. We'll send the season, and yeah. So if you guys like this video, leave a like. And anyways, have a